Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another tin potatoes video, cooking them in the air fryer, but with a difference. We're going to be using some tikka curry powder. That's going to spice it up a little bit. Let's go. So we've got our tin potatoes on some kitchen towel. I'm going to cover those potatoes with another piece of kitchen towel, and we're just going to pat those and get all the moisture off of them. It's going to make it a lot easier to crisp them up in the air fryer. We're going to be using this tikka curry powder today. We're going to mix the curry powder with some olive oil. We're going to put it in a glass dish, oven-proof dish, and we're going to cook it in the dish. That makes cleaning your air fryer a lot easier. We don't want it splattering all over the place. So we've patted these dry. They look pretty good. Let's get those in the oven-proof dish. So there they are, in the oven-proof dish. Now these are already pre-cooked, as you know, tin potatoes are already pre-cooked. But we're going to crisp them up a bit and give them some flavour. So we're going to be pouring over some olive oil into the dish. And I'm just going to judge this, but I'm just going to pour over some of that tikka curry powder. I'm then going to get a spoon and give it a good old stir. Get all of that juice coated, the curry powder coated all over the potatoes. There we go. You may need to add a bit more curry powder if they're not fully coated, but I think we'll be okay with what I've done there. I would say that was about 2 tablespoons of curry powder that I put in there. Yeah, I might need a bit more oil actually, just a little bit. Give that a good old stir. If you've tried tin potatoes in the air fryer and you've used a different sort of coating or flavours, please leave a comment down in the description. I'd love to know what you guys get up to. There we go. These are all coated up. We're going to be cooking these for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. And as I said, we're going to leave them in the glass bowl during the cooking cycle. So let's get these in the air fryer. So we've got the flex drawer, which has got 2 halves to it, but it is 1 drawer. We can take out the divider and have one massive section, but we're only going to use zone 1 today. And I'm just going to pop those into the air fryer. So as you can see, we've got the drawer with the oven-proof glass dish. Our potatoes lovely and coated with some olive oil and curry powder. Let's get them in the air fryer. So pop the drawer in. We're going to turn him on, and we're going to be using today zone 1. We're going to go to air fry mode, 200 degrees and 20 minutes. Let's go. So around the 10-minute mark, I'm going to take out the drawer and give them a bit of a stir. Make sure they're going to be fully sort of coated and crispy. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. So guys, we're coming up to the 10-minute mark. Smell is amazing. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, because it really does help my channel out and it makes sure you don't miss any more future content. It's free to do. If you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button too. Really appreciate it. And again, leave any comments down below if you've tried tin potatoes in the air fryer or you have a different way of cooking them. Be really interested to know how you people do it. So here we are. Up to the 10-minute mark, we're going to take these out and give them a bit of a stir and then put them back in for the other 10 minutes. Now, they are sizzling. Wow, smell is amazing. Let's get those stirred up. And here we are. Let's give them a stir. Oh, it smells so good. These would be ideal if you've got like a salad and you wanted a bit of a kick to it. You can have these on the side. Even if you were cooking a curry, you could have these as a side dish or part of the main dish. I'm hoping you can hear that sizzling. I think they're all coated up again. Let's get them back in the air fryer for the remaining 10 minutes. Here we go. Let's get those babies in there. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. So we are coming up to that 20-minute mark. The smell is filling the kitchen of sort of the tikka curry paste that we've made. Can't wait to give these potatoes a try. There we go. It's gone into cool down mode. Let's turn him off and let's see what's going on inside. I don't know if you can see that, but they're really, really sizzling. Wow. I'm going to get these out, put them into a little bowl and give them a taste. Okay, so here they are. You can see those. Got that lovely coating on them. I'm going to give them a try. They're still quite hot, but I'll try not to burn myself. Wow, they are so good. They'd be great, as I said, with a bit of salad, or you could have them as a side dish if you're having a curry or any other meal. You could even cook some rice and put these on top of the rice and have a sort of vegetarian lunch snack. But these are amazing. Taste is great. That lovely tikka coating. Got a little bit of a spice to it, but nothing overpowering. Really, really do like these. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out, as I said. And make sure to leave any comments down below. Hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.